Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. Today's session is little bit different because what we have in this session, we have a guest. She is a doctor, but many of us or most of us didn't know about the profession because when I connect to her, even I don't know about the profession that she's handling now. So she is a wellness coach, but in a Siddha technology or in a Siddha field, Siddham field. So we heard about Ayurveda, we heard about allopathy, homeopathy. The Siddham is kind of a same, but in a different way. So what we can do, we just welcome Dr. Suchitra Balaji, and I just add Suchitra. Hi, Dr. Suchitra. Hi, Dr. Suchitra, and welcome to the stage. Please share something about yourself because if I say something about Siddham stream, maybe I'm not the correct person. So you can share something about your stream and something about yourself. Over to you, Dr. Chitra.
Thank you, Richa. Thanks for calling me for this wonderful interview. And I'm Dr. Chitra Balaji. I'm basically a Siddha physician. Siddha, we heard about Ayush system in India, traditional system. And in Ayush, the S indicates the Siddha medical system. It is more than 10,000 years older traditional system of medicine that is practiced in the Tamil Nadu, and the scripts will be in the Tamil.
Okay.
So the Siddha system is not only a medical system, it explains about the internal medicines for many diseases and also external therapies like bandaging technique using Panchakarma in Ayurveda. It has a massaging technique and like Kalikam, medicine in ears, medicine in nose, and all
Mhm.
the techniques of Varma. That is, Varma is a very unique technique related in Siddha system. It is
Okay.
more deeper than acupressure and acupoints. Varma is nothing deal with the subconscious channels. It
Hmm.
heard about subconscious mind. It based on the subconscious channels, the channels where the prana energy floats in, and based upon that energy, the Varma science works, and it makes a it makes a big benefit in most of the diseases, starting from pain management to the paralysis, and also to the PCOS and metabolic disorders. There are
Ah.
Varma products.
Hmm.
And apart from that, Siddha mainly deals with preventive care and personalized care.
Okay.
Siddha system uh, take the human body into three types: Vada, Pitta,
Mhm.
and Kapha. And in
Mhm.
between, it again subdivision goes to 10 types. Which
Oh.
body is them at time of birth? What
Mhm.
was is the body condition? And later, why it is changes? What is the cause of the disease? And how can be treated after treatment? What they should follow to live a wellness. So
Mhm.
this make me more interesting to uh, spread. There is a what can say is to the various fields of my Siddha field, starting
Mhm.
from clinical practice, and then I
Mhm.
started yoga therapy and Varma therapy, and after
Okay.
that I felt going out of just we have to go out of the box. Just
Ah.
writing the prescription in the clinic room, that is not enough. We
Mhm.
have to be assured wellness. And I
Mhm.
bring Siddham, the science for the credible wellness. And that's my
Okay.
look. Siddham
Okay.
for credible wellness. So it
So
includes,
how? Yes.
yeah,
Yes. Yes.
it has balanced diet and lifestyles.
Okay.
So how you have to live, how you have to sit, how you have to exercise, when you have to take bath, and what are the 6 seasons. And each season, what is the diet you have to follow, and which are the plants you have to use, and when you can pluck a plant, when you can make it as a medicine,
Okay.
when you have to eat it,
So
and
that
when you
might
can do
be
it.
the thing.
Yes, the daily routine comes
Ah.
under the name of EMM and niyamam actually,
Hmm.
and the mental behavior, and it gives a lot of what you have giving as a coaching industry now, emerging coaching industry. And
Hmm.
Tirumoola in this text have a lot of information about the breath control, behavior pattern, how
Hmm.
to improve your concentration and memory, and that
Hmm.
comes in the name of Ashtanga Yoga.
Ah.
Yama Niyama indicates self discipline, and then yoga, and then breath work, pranayama, and how you have to focus on improving the focus, how you have to meditate, and at the end of the meditation, what is the self realization, and that is the wisdom. This is a complete
Come.
knowledge system. Yes.
Ah,
Siddham
when
in Tamil means a
to,
complete knowledge.
when to eat, what to eat, how we
Yes.
can think, how we can
Yes.
intake everything, our daily routine, everything, every minutely thing that cover in Siddham technique.
Yes,
Oh,
what type of water you can take, and
oh,
which water is good. If Yamuna water is has these good properties, and the river water, Ganga water has these good properties, these medicinal properties. Okay, and this plant, if we take just simply potato, it has these properties, and if we take like a green gram or any herb, simple like a tulasi,
hmm.
Tulasi is good for this, and Tulasi, these kind of body parts, that is badam, pitam, body morphs, they can say. These kind of Degi should not take those plants, and when
Oh,
you can take it, that also, and also it has a wide variety of medicines for the animals also. Veterinary
oh,
medicine is also there. Okay,
ah,
it is a complete science. Siddham means a complete knowledge.
okay.
So it is a complete life science more than a medical system.
That is so vast area that is the Siddham technique is covering right now.
Yes.
So how you move into this field? I mean, uh, do you have any goal related to that field prior itself, or anything that motivates you to come in this field? How your journey in this field?
Yeah, my aim is to become a doctor.
Okay.
Okay, I want to serve human, and from right when childhood, I always focus when can we stop the medicine.
Uh,
Okay, they're tampering the dose of the medicine, which the most of the medical industry have been not following. What I say. So we have to stop the medicines. Means we have to choose a healthy lifestyle. The choice is ours: medicines or a healthy lifestyle. So that's my aim and service. And I got a seat in. I got a government seat. Okay, I studied in scholarship. I completed my UG, and when I'm doing my PG, I have realized there is so many things in Siddha apart from a medical system. There is
mm,
many things to explore. Okay?
mm-hmm.
And before that, I thought this is an alternative medicines, and we can stick on to only few therapies. So I
Mm-hmm.
thought like only few diseases we can focus upon. But when I started to practice, I saw the magic in the results.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, okay, this is good. And I asked patient after you have to stop the medicines, follow these exercises. And
Mm-hmm.
they asked me how to do these exercises. And there how started my yoga hub for women wellness. So I'm taking yoga classes for past 10 years
Mm-hmm.
offline. And later the COVID, the life became upside down again. And again I started the clinic. I have shifted to Coimbatore, and here
Mm-hmm.
also I started my clinic, and the yoga classes now streamed in online,
Okay.
and thereby I started face yoga classes also. And
Uh-huh.
I more focus on the diet and lifestyle changes whenever I prescribe medicines. I used
Mm-hmm.
to say 40% medicine, 60% is to diet and lifestyle changes.
Mm-hmm.
But means whatever in whatever area, you may be a thyroid, you may be in diabetes, you may be in hypertension, fix your goal towards a healthy lifestyle.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I don't insist them for diabetes you do this, for hypertension you do this. Wherever may be the point, your goal should be the healthy lifestyle,
Mm.
and
Yes.
that's how born Sai Shri Siddha Wellness Care with the clinic, yoga, and the organics, and that's
Mm.
what. That's it.
Yes. So, when you get in this field, in Siddham field, did you get any challenges? Because that is totally different what we heard about medical field. So,
Yes.
did you feel any problem? So that, because that is also an option for a career perspective. So, if any teenager wants to go in that field, firstly, you can tell that how they can go for that field. Plus, what challenges that you face and how you overcome, it will help them to understand that okay, in this field we can face this, but we have the solution, we can do this to overcome the problem. So how any teenager can apply for Siddham field?
Okay. So after completing the plus two board exam, it is also depend upon the NEET scores. Okay, so after NEET exam, after the MBBS counseling over, they are applying for the Siddha, and Siddha college is now present in Tamil Nadu. There are two government colleges and other there are private colleges in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. There are very limited number of colleges, but still after pursuing that, they will get a BSMS degree, 5.5 years course along with the house surgeon. After that, they can have PG, which is also 3 years course. So if you want to practice even after 5.5 years course, you can enter into the practice. The challenging is we should have patience and passion to have a patience. Okay, we have to be very calm and we have to be very passionate about this. Now there is a lot of awareness in this traditional system of medicine, and very after COVID, especially I can say we have saved a lot of patients who have been in ICU, and we have improved their cardiac activity. The medicines work superb in a superb, awesome way. So we have made a lot of differences in COVID condition, COVID treatments. And after that, there's a lot of awareness. Before that, the awareness among these system of medicines are people need an instant relief. Just they
Yes.
want to get 2 tablets, they get instant relief. That's it. And people are very scared about patya, that is dieting. We used to say, oh, these type of doctors will get lot of things. Do this, do not eat this. But now the whole thing has changed and coming as a paleo diet, keto diet, dieting, nutrition, and now it becomes a fancy. When we say pathya, it was a really scareful thing for them. But now dieting, many people are focused, and there is a lot of awareness that we have to be healthy rather than disease free. And now there is a lot of awareness, but the people who are coming this, we have to learn more than the allopathy. We have to learn more. So even now we are upgrading ourselves, and the recognition will come after some practice, some years of clinical practice, and we have to wait for that. We have to go and confident, and the passion. That's what I say. The patience and patience will increase the patience. That's it.
Yes. So, any challenge that you face, Dr. Chitra, in this, I mean, in your journey?
Yes, initially there was not recognition in the system among the patient. Okay, the financial challenges what we face, and that is other systems of people. They used to, this is not an evidence based medicine. This is what they will claim upon the traditional system. But now there are large number of research articles and research body came in Siddha system. They are proving how the medicines is working in a scientific way. Okay, including the famous Kabasura Kudinir that has hit a large success in the COVID management.
Okay.
And that medicines they took in the lab and studies all the how the medicines work in the body, they will test an allopathy medicine. So they have done a lot of studies, and this medicine is a very potent antiviral drug for coronavirus. So there is a lot of research now. But initially, when we start, the research has not that much not aware or anything. So that is what we faced as a challenge. Once the people start to recognize the system, and it's easy for us to move it. And next is main challenge is the herbs availability.
Uh,
No, our food is also, we have a lot of pesticides. Okay, we
yeah.
have grown up. We have that. We are organic foods is very so that the herbs we obtain is we have challenging still. We have a challenge in getting the herbs that has a potential antioxidants or the phytochemicals in it. Okay? So they should be cultivated in the organic manner. There are no more pesticides should be added. And
Yes.
getting the raw materials is somewhat challenging to us. And third is the participation of the patient. they need an instant relief. I
Yes.
said, you can have an instant relief even with the medical system. But following the such and such lifestyle is very important to be a wellness. The
Yes.
consistency of the patient. And this is also challenge. And we
Yes.
have to give more and more counseling with a smiling face. Okay. So when you
Yes.
want to be a Siddha doctor, you should think out of the box, out of the clinic,
Mm,
towards the wellness of people. And that's
yes.
very important.
Yes, because for an instant solution, that will be for a smaller period of time. But if you want a solution for a longer period of time, you have to take some step by step procedure. You have to follow that. Then only you will get the result. And in allopathy, in these kind of a medicines that who give instant result is also give impact, negative impact in your body. That also create harm in such in any kind of a way. Like my mother was a asthma patient, so she is taking inhaler. Because of the inhaler, she faced the issue of a cataract. So she is taking medicine of a one problem, but it effect in another part of a body.
Yes.
So yes, in this kind of a field that you are dealing with, so that is not don't have any negative impact in the body, because we are taking herbs and
Yes.
no chemicals and no anything, like you are saying that we freshly fruits and everything, so it will only create good impact and a positive impact in your body. So that is a very good thing that you are suggesting, that yes, the herbs can be finding herbs can be difficult, but once the person gets used to of it, then they want to go to another kind of a medicines. Okay,
Yes.
so thank you, Dr. Chitra, about the like if the person is want to go to this field. The next question that I want to ask, that the common problem that anybody is facing right now, whether it is a teen or an adult, is anemia. Can you show me why we have that kind of a problem? What the elements that we are missing, and because of that we are facing anemia, and how we can cure using the Siddham techniques?
Okay. Initially, for growing children, I always suggest changes in diet and lifestyle. When the children goes anemic means more than a cause of malnutrition, more than a poor children, children from a moderate, middle class, and upper class have family have these complaints. The
Oh.
thing is, they are obese. They eat lot of junk foods,
Hmm.
okay? And they are overfed,
Mm-hmm.
not exposing to the sunlight. They
Uh,
are not exposed to the active playing. Either the children stick to the phones or they
mm,
stick to the what are they say, laptop or books. And most of the teens, especially girls, after 14 or 15 years, after their puberty, I have the complaints when they actually pass the 10th grade or 12th grade board exams, they become stressed and
okay.
they have loss of appetite,
Mm.
and there is a lot of hormonal issue, and the PCO usually start at the grade of 10 and 12.
Oh,
I
okay.
have seen many patients, the PCO condition starts at the grade of 10 and 12 due to the lack of sleep because they
Oh,
used to study continuously and over stress,
okay.
skipping the meals.
Mm.
Okay, more than deficiency in the nutrition. Nowadays, the problem in the gut, that is stomach issue, absorption, lack
Mm-hmm.
of proper absorption is the main reason for these things to go into the anemic condition.
Okay.
Okay, if you take anemia, and usually we focus on iron deficiency, right?
Mm-hmm. Ah.
You think iron is a product we got from Amazon or Flipkart or something, and the courier boy should take and pick up and deliver to us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the pick up in courier boy is vitamins,
Mm-hmm.
transporting is a protein.
Mm-hmm.
We will take iron supplements, but we don't take vitamins and we don't take a protein, so that will not be delivered to us. We'll just make an order, that's all.
Okay. Yes.
In case if you want to cure anemia or fatigue or lack of memory, concentration, and everything, whatever you need is you have to have proteins and vitamins along with the essential minerals. That
Mm-hmm.
makes us to cure completely anemia. Apart, we no need to take the medicines. And when
Okay.
for children, the best thing is the selection of millets, millet diet. You heard about finger millet.
Mm-hmm.
In Tamil, we used to say ragi, and finger millet, and then the
Per minute. Okay.
pearl millet, and finger millet. They
Finger.
have rich source of iron and calcium.
Okay.
So what we will do here means we will mix either finger millet along with the palm jaggery.
Okay.
Jaggery, in that we have palm jaggery, which is very dark in color. It is a rich source of protein and vitamins.
Okay.
Automatically, they will aid the absorption. They will take
Okay.
care of the food.
Mm-hmm.
They will mix the ragi and mix the palm jaggery and make into a porridge, sweet porridge.
Mm-hmm.
This is rich in iron as well as in vitamins as well as in protein.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically, the iron is absorbed and then the iron is transported and converted into the hemoglobin. When we
Okay.
say HB, H is only iron and globin is a protein.
Mm-hmm.
So without a protein, we can't build our body.
Uh,
We need a protein. If you all give you a material, some materials also, the brick should be there to build a house. And that bricks is protein.
okay.
Okay. So supplementing the mineral alone is not sufficient. So the teens can take these two millets, that is
Mm-hmm.
finger millet and pearl millet.
Per minute.
Either they can mix with palm jaggery or they can mix with the buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay.
Buttermilk is the very best probiotic, and our
Mm.
gut loves to take it.
Okay.
Gut is the second brain for us. We used to say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When the gut is ready to capture the nutrition, the whole body will become healthy.
Okay.
We are the receiving part. Whatever supplement is good, the gut should be absorbed. The gut is the intestine. It should
Mm-hmm.
absorb. And
Mm-hmm.
the probiotic, that is the buttermilk, have a
Mm-hmm.
good bacteria.
Okay.
Okay. In our
Mm-hmm.
gut, we have all about good bacteria and bad bacteria. The good
Mm-hmm.
bacteria help to absorb the nutrients. When
Huh.
you add buttermilk more, it
Mm-hmm.
automatically the good bacteria will grow in the gut. They will absorb the nutrition. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and also they send impulses to the lungs and brain. We are healthy, build the immunity.
Okay.
That it is a scientific way, but I'm just explaining here. So
Uh-huh.
it's a view of public. So it is sends to the lungs as well as brain. We are healthy, build immunity. So
Okay.
the people say, my son has a lot of running nose, he has an asthma issue. First, take care of the gut. When
Mm.
the gut is there, it take over the lungs health.
Mm.
Okay. So this is the point. You can have the importance of buttermilk as well as of fruits like a banana, everything. It's where the things import very good in probiotic. It
Mm.
improves your gut health. And
Okay.
second, about the greens. In greens, they can have moringa leaves, drumstick leaves. Have you heard about
Drumstick. Yes.
drumstick leaves? This is rich in iron, calcium, vitamin C, and everything.
Okay.
Whenever a person have at least weekly once or twice drumstick leaves, it builds the iron and essential minerals. And one thing I have to say, if the gut is loaded with worms, then absorption of iron is low.
Oh.
This moringa leaves clear out the worms.
Okay.
So when you take a greens at least weekly twice, the worms will be cleared out, and the greens have vitamin C that will increase the absorption of iron, and automatically and also the greens have iron. They will absorb. See how
Okay.
multitasking the greens and food do.
Mm.
Otherwise, I have to give a iron supplement and supplement with the vitamin supplements,
Mm-hmm.
and I have to give something to clear your worms. Instead of
Mm.
4 or 5 medicines, just
Mm.
eat a bowl of greens, cooked greens.
So
That
how we
is,
can how we
you
can
can
consume it?
you can just boil and make like you say, I don't know, in,
We
like
can we can
gravy.
boil the
Yeah, you have to boil with some dal.
With
Okay,
some
you can dal.
dal. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
We can mix it with food in food, and then we'll
Yes, you can mix with a dal and
dal.
greens and dal. You just boil it, and then
Mm-hmm.
you can add a fried onion and tomato, and then garnish with it. That's all.
Okay, okay. So we can consume it
Like
in
a dal,
our.
how you prepare a dal. Okay, same
Ah,
way. Having some
okay.
garlic, and
Mm-hmm.
along with the dal, you can have some greens, and the greens should be taken cooked form, not in the raw form.
In the raw. Okay, in the
You
cooked
should
form.
not take. If you want to take in the raw form, you can consume as a soup.
Okay.
Okay, and filter the leaves, and you can have the soup.
Soup.
That is
Okay.
also boiled only. If you have to take greens, it should be taken in the cooked form.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So moringa leaves, and another is dwarf copper leaves. And in Tamil, they said to be ponangani. It has rich in gold, copper, and zinc.
Mm.
Zinc is a very important mineral that
Mm.
takes part in various metabolic activities. That is a main function of liver. Okay, that's it has king of metabolism. It
Mm-hmm.
secretes many enzymes, and that create a lot of metabolic. That is taking up the glucose, building up the protein, and building the hormones. Okay, breaking the fat or storing the fat. Everything they do everything with the help of the enzymes, and the
Okay.
enzymes is the key part is the zinc.
Mm-hmm.
And our body also need gold to rejuvenate ourselves. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
naturally present in the leaves named Ponangani. Okay, the English name is dwarf copper leaves.
Dwarf copper leaves.
Dwarf
So
copper leaves. Yes,
it is available
yes.
everywhere.
It is available in the market. Otherwise, it is also cultivatable in your terrace garden or home garden.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay. And Richa, I was also in a time I attend organic farming courses also, and so that I have built very small space in Chennai. I have created more than 200 to 300 plants and 50 variety of plants. Everything by
Wow.
home garden. I'll go to the garden, get the greens, and come back. Everything fresh, no chemicals.
Okay.
So
So
outside.
so you have your like everything in your garden itself.
Yes,
You
yes.
have.
Initially, in my Chennai, I have everything in my garden. I
Uh,
actually the garden started because when I give some therapies, I need
mm,
some leaves. Okay,
uh,
for that leaves, I can't go around and get for 2 or 2 kilometers. If it is in my home garden, I just pluck the leaves and made into poultice and give as a fermentation for pain management. And by
mm,
that time, I started these greens also.
mm.
There are many greens that give you more and more calcium, and they are always built with the vitamins and proteins what we need. They
Yes, yes, yes.
also have antioxidants to repair the gut. They
Mm,
also have the phytochemicals to remove the worms.
mm.
That's what I say. Instead of writing 5 or 4 medicines, if you take a bowl of moringa leaves 2 times a week, that is more than enough.
Okay, okay. All right,
Okay.
okay. Yes,
And
yes.
next comes the sprouts.
Sprouts.
Yeah.
Yes.
Spring sprouts, green gram sprouts is so good. Okay.
Uh,
It has low carbohydrate and high protein,
uh-huh.
and it has high vitamin and super source of vitamin C.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Uh,
can consume this sprouts, green gram sprouts, and if you
mm,
want to take chickpeas cows, there's a brown
chickpeas.
chena cows or chickpeas, brown chena cows. Brown chena sprouts we have to boil. Green gram sprouts no need to boil. You can
Ah,
make them into salads, okay?
ah,
Carrot, beans, capsicum, everything. So, and
mm,
then you can have it as a
mm.
morning diet, any one day, one meal salad.
Okay.
And some people may have gastric issues while taking
Mm,
sprouts. And for them, what I suggest is don't take more than 4 or 5 teaspoons of sprouts.
okay.
And then don't mix animal protein with veg protein. When you take sprouts, don't take egg or non-veg meat, chicken, and everything. If you are taking egg, non-veg, and meat, don't take sprouts on that day, so that there
Okay.
will not be any gastric issues. And mostly consume this as a breakfast or mid-morning snacks.
So time gap is the major part. If we are taking, if anyone
No,
is
don't take
not
on that day. No
okay
vegetable protein, animal protein. Alternative days you can have.
okay. Same day pay. We don't have to consume on the same day.
Yes, you can have it on alternative days.
Alternate days. Okay.
Yes. So
So
egg. Yeah.
that is all you told, that apart from sprouts, all we can consume uh, within our, like if we added in our dal or in something in a vegetable, we can consume it along with our food.
Yes, the sprouts you can have it as a salad.
Salad.
Green greens, leafy greens, you can cook along with a dal and have it as a your meals. Have
Meal.
it in your meals.
Okay. All right. So that is for anemia part.
Mhm.
What other problem that generally any child can face is concentration. That we cannot concentrate for a longer duration time, or our focus is not very good. How the teen or any kind of a person, not specifically for a teen, any kind of a person, if the person wants to concentrate on their work, on their studies, anything, how they can improve them.
First thing is they need some clarity what I want. The
Hmm.
concentration will not be there. The things we don't like or the things we are confused stage. The
Hmm.
clouds should be clear and the sky should be visible. So
Hmm.
first they need a clarity. And
Hmm.
if an athletic child or the child that loves sports, right?
Hmm.
To ask him to study, he will not have any concentration in that.
Yes.
He will concentrate on sports well. So the
Hmm.
parents should identify in what area is not concentrating or generally he cannot concentrate. And this is
Yes.
first. And second is when the eye power is low, when there are refractive errors in the eyes or they
Hmm.
have to wear glasses, on that time the concentration will be low.
Okay.
And third point, the concentration will not be there when the child is in dehydrative state.
Okay.
Okay. See, water molecules will connect everything. We are the whole human is like a jelly part, whatever organs you take inside the body. There should be a right amount of water in our body.
Hmm.
When a person is in a dehydrated state, first
Hmm.
of all, they will be weak, fatigue, irritated. So they
Hmm.
cannot concentrate in anything. And in
Hmm.
my clinic, I have a case. He was a very long headache, and his age was only 14 or 15. He took all CT scans for brain, everything is normal. And he came to my clinic, and I said, "How much you will drink water? Only
Hmm.
half a liter, rarely 1 liter." I said, for 1 week, drink 2.2 to 2.5 liters of water. He's little bit obese. So I think 2 to 2.5 liters of water for 1 week. If also your headache persists, then come to me, I'll give you a medicine. After a week, after a year, after many years, he didn't get a headache. And he was properly drinking water. You know, when there is
Okay.
a dehydrated state, there will be a headache like thunderbolt headache. And people will think something they have migraine even at the aged person. I
Hmm.
first ask them to correct the hydration states
Okay.
depending upon your body weight. 2 to 3 liters of water, drink
Hmm.
it. Take a 1 liter of water, check it whether you are using the complete water, drinking the complete water 3 times a day. So after
Hmm.
that you say no, I'm drinking only 1 liter, 1.5 liter, then correct it first. So
Hmm.
the drinking water is also important for concentration. And the
Hmm.
next, the food that boosts the brain is very important. Too much
Hmm.
of carbohydrates, too much of sugars.
Hmm.
Sugar means not only sweet, like maida, biscuits, more
Hmm.
bread, junk foods. This will not stimulate the brain to focus on the thing. It will make you can say as a very submissive mind, and they will not able to speak with clear or clarity. There is no clarity in them.
Hmm.
Okay, whatever happens, okay, let it happen. What is going to there? Okay, if you just score low marks, okay, let it be. You can't achieve this, okay, let it be. So this
Hmm.
type of mood they will have if they have more and more sugars. Okay,
Okay.
Sugar is just dumping you in one state. That we said as a kaba state, obese state. It make you dump. That's all. That is its work. When you add proteins, vitamin, and minerals, they can be in a state. They want to work more. They will be
Mm-hmm.
more. When the
Mm-hmm.
energy come from inside, the concentration improves.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, I always say if you have one bowl of rice, take two
Mm-hmm.
bowl of vegetables.
Take two
That will
bowls of
vegetables
vegetables.
or
Okay.
fruits.
Okay.
Vegetables that will improve the concentration.
Okay.
And the last is pranayama, breathing exercise.
Fine. Breathing.
Simply the breathing exercise. You just watch. When you inhale,
Hmm.
the chest and abdomen should come out.
Hmm.
When you exhale, that it should go in. For most of the people, when they inhale, the abdomen goes in.
In.
That's a
Yes.
wrong breathing. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So they have to check the breathe and just 5 minutes of deep breathing. They have to do and 4 times a day.
Mm-hmm.
That will improve the concentration level, focus. So while
Okay.
they breathe, ask the focus on the breathing, how
Mm-hmm.
they inhale, how they that will improve the focus, and automatically that gives the concentration.
Okay. So the problem is different. The concentration, because of something that we are not doing properly or we are doing wrong, the problem we are facing is that we don't have proper concentration. We are not hydrated enough. Uh, we are not paying good attention to our eyes. So because of our low eyesight or no, don't have so much clarity what we have to do or something like that, because of this we will face the problem.
Yes.
Okay, because majorly people don't know that because of a dehydration or these things, the concentrate it will affect on the concentration part also. So that is the new thing that you told me, because we generally don't go for that point of a time. You already covered the boost energy, that you can
Yes.
we can like boost our energy. What specifically anything for a teenager, because of the hormonal changes that they are facing, they have to study, they have to do so many things, so many activities. How it will different from adult, like specifically what kind of a thing that teenager can take so they
Yes.
can boost their energy.
Nuts and seeds.
Nuts and seeds. Okay.
Okay. Again, the same thing. They have more number of proteins and vitamins. Just
Mm-hmm.
they can have 5 to 7 almonds.
Okay.
Okay, and then one walnut,
Mm-hmm.
7 grapes,
Mm-hmm.
10 pumpkin seeds, two
Okay.
dates.
Mm-hmm.
Morning snacks. That is enough.
Okay.
Okay, almonds, walnut, pumpkin seeds, dry grapes, and dates. This combination rich in iron and calcium and proteins, and they are uh, memory boosters. They
Mm-hmm.
boost the immune system. The only thing is they have omega 3 fatty acids.
Mm-hmm.
Omega 3 fatty acid is very important for our brain. So it is present in fish,
Mm-hmm.
nuts, and seeds.
Mm-hmm.
And you hear about chia seeds and flax seeds.
Yes. Yes.
You can
Yes.
just spread it over the salad, whatever salad we used to eat, no? Fruit salad or vegetable salad. Just spread it over the salad and have. That is it.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
any day you have a nuts. You do no need to prepare these items. Just take a
Mm-hmm.
picture of nuts and seeds. There is more available in the market, and this give you a lot of energy and reduce the intake of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
So sugar intake will lower the concentration, memory level, and everything. And
Mm-hmm.
third, do pranayama.
Pranayama.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
pranayama, nadi suddhi breathing. So that helps to boost the immunity.
Mm-hmm. Apart from this, Dr. Chitra, any tips, especially for the parents or for the teenagers, how they can work on their schedule, daily schedule that you taught us that Siddham covers everything. When to wake up, what to eat, what not to eat. So you told already ki what to eat, what not to eat. apart from this, the daily schedule, how they can manage, or how parents can manage the teenager schedule.
So one thing I used to say for all the parents is, children do not hear the advice; they just see how you live.
Hmm.
So whatever changes you want to bring in your child's health or management, time management, discipline, work, change in your life, they will
Yes,
simply watch and they will make changes.
yes,
And
yes.
nowadays, the teens' perception is different. They are not wrong.
Hmm.
So, as I said, the parents should unlearn and
Hmm.
relearn their perception. And this is a full of digital era. We can communicate here from anywhere, any part of the world.
Hmm.
And on that time, communication is a big problem.
Hmm.
So our lifestyle will be according to that. Now, communication is not the problem. They have some different problems: skill management, time management, and speaking efficiently. They need a
Hmm.
support. You see, most of the teens have a problem of fear.
Yes.
They see the parents blaming or complaining something, and they
Hmm.
just expect, okay, outside world will be like this, and I
Hmm.
should not be like this. So whatever the parents suffer, indirectly
Hmm.
the teen will think I should not be like this. So
Hmm.
automatically they will be irritated in that part of life. If parents suffered in a financial struggle, the teen
Hmm.
become aware of it, and it be irritated and more stubborn in the area of financial struggle.
Hmm.
Indirectly it poses on the mind. So what
Hmm.
parents can do is, apart changing from your teens, change your life healthy.
Hmm.
Automatically it will come and stick into your life. Time
Yes.
management is energy management. Make your routine like early morning wake up with a warm water. You can
Hmm.
have a coffee, tea or herbal tea, and go for 40 minutes walking or exercise.
Hmm. Hmm.
To insist upon your kids, let them watch how you turn healthy and happier with your lifestyle. When they watch,
Yes.
they will automatically do. No need to explain.
Ah.
When you,
Hmm.
they just want to be well. That's the aim of their kids. So when you say your mother is doing this and this, she's very enjoyable nowadays. She's very healthy nowadays. She didn't complain anything. When the
Hmm.
kid sees that, automatically they change. And
Hmm.
that change, be the change and make the change. That's what I can say.
Yes, yes, that is the very good thing that you told, Dr. Chitra. Ki any child can observe us. They
Yes.
observe their parents, their habits, and everything. That is why people say that the child is doing the same that you are doing. So
Yes.
if they saw us that my mom and dad are become healthier and they are taking good care of themselves, the immediately the child also do the same thing.
Yes.
So we don't have to tell them, just showcase them, be
Mm-hmm.
an idol for them so that they can do the same for themselves.
Yes.
So yes, that is the good thing. The main thing that you told is that we should unlearn when we have a teenager or a preteen,
Yes. Yes.
because yes, that is very important, because the temperament or the nature of a child, and it is totally different to a preteen or a teenager. We are also different when we are kids, we are also different when we are a teen, and then our nature and thinking and mindset is totally different when we'll go come to an adult position.
Yes.
So yes, we have to unlearn, and that is a kind of a difficult part. They have some patterns till 10 or 12 years, and then they have to unlearn it and deal with the kid in from a news perspective. So I think it is difficult, but it is important, so we have to do the same for our kids also.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Dr. Chitra, what kind of a projects that you are dealing right now, what kind of a things that you are doing right now?
Yeah. Before that, I like to say one more thing. Teens or kids, they are not our junior version or small version. They
Hmm.
have their own version.
Yes.
We have to respect that. They
We have
have
to.
their own version.
Hmm.
So we miss to become a doctor. We miss to become a collector. we should not impose that on the kids. They are
Yes,
their own version. So respect their version and make them move to their heights at their own
yes.
life. As a parent, that's what we have to do. And we
Mm.
have to ready to attach and detach wherever we need.
That is also a very important point, that we only focus on the attachment part, but when it comes to a detachment, some sort of fear, some sort of stress or anxiety on unconsciousness, it will come in our nature, and it will showcase also in our
Yes,
face, in our actions, in our words, that we are not comfortable with the detachment, but we have to do,
yes,
because as our parents also, detach them from ourselves, and once we can detach them, then only they can do more in our life, and we can also take care of ourselves.
of course, yes,
Because as we are parents, the all the mother and the father are taking so much care of the child that they forget to take care of themselves. So when we'll take a small detachment, we can focus on our part, on our life, and the child can take care of themselves also. So
yes.
we don't think that. So yes, that is a well born moment, you can say, that every parent can know that, and they should follow. I believe that they can do
Sometimes
detect.
at age of teen, instead of saying don't spend too much in the picnic or something, better give them some rupees. Take this, you have to spend and you have to save. That's all.
Hmm.
Give them responsibility instead of assisting them, micromanagement. That will
Hmm.
make a major difference. When they think, oh, I'm responsible for my life, they will be very careful
Hmm.
to handle everything. And that's what I used to facing more than a physician. I say, as a mother of a teen, I'm also
Okay.
unlearning many things. I have learned many things from who she is saying from this perception. She's different and not wrong.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
But we have to accept that. That
Yes.
acceptance when come, we will immediately learn, and if we are open to learn.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, because every person is having a different kind of a perception, different kind of a nature, different kind of a mindset. Even I, if I think about myself, my sister have a different sort of a mindset, kind of a similar, but in some ways we are different. In some ways, me and my mother was a different person. So we have to think the same for our kids, that they have something different, they have different nature, different thinking. Don't have to be in our zone only. They have their own zone, they have their own space, they have their own thinking. Let it them Let them feel. If they are feeling good, bad, anything, these emotions can make them strong. What I believe, कि because of a thinking they get result, that okay, we have done this, we have done that, this is good for us, this is not good for us, because we can say to a kid who's smaller. But when it comes to a preteen or teen, we can guide them, we can
Yes.
not tell them. We can
Yes.
say that you can do this, but we can't say that you have to do this. Then they will say, I don't want to do this.
Okay.
And
Why I
then
have to do this? The expression will come.
why have to do this? I don't want to do this. And then the parent feel some kind of that they are not respecting us, they are not feeling good for us. Yes. So what kind of a projects that you are dealing right now, Dr. Chitra?
Yeah, my service is actually meaning going for the medical service, online and offline consultation. Offline consultation, I'm in Coimbatore. Online all over the world. Any
Okay.
person can contact me and they can fix the appointment. Medical consultation and also along with medicines, diet and lifestyle modification. What type of diet and lifestyle they have to modify, customized, so that
Mm-hmm.
they turn into a life of health and wellness, not a
Mm-hmm.
disciplined life. I always focus a life of health and wellness. And second, in yoga, I'm teaching yoga for women wellness, as well as I'm taking face yoga that gives an enormous big results in most of the people, there is a change in within 21 days. There is a lot of differences in their face. They grew young with clarity. And my future project is coaching for women, stress
Oh,
management with pranayama and my meditation. And that is my future project. It will be launched within 3 months.
okay, that's great.
And my
So,
ongoing organics, that is a mixture of health mixes. As I said, instant health
you
mix,
are dealing in
black
so
with
many things.
just focusing, that is wellness in one roof.
Ah,
I said my motto is Siddham for credible wellness.
mm,
Using the knowledge of Siddha, how can we create and impact the people towards the wellness journey? And that's
mm.
the thing.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, how any person can connect to you? How they can connect?
Yeah, they can contact me. Yeah, my Dr. Chitra Balaji is my Instagram ID,
Mhm.
and saishreesiddhavellnesscare.com is my website. And I
Mhm.
also shared my WhatsApp number. They can message me. It's 9600713765. They can WhatsApp me and they can fix an online consultation or offline consultation, and we can do that.
Okay. So, I'm sharing once again. This is Dr. Chitra's Instagram handle. You can DM that. The site URL is showing in underdown, that is saishreesiddhavellness.com, and you can connect with Dr. Chitra in this number. You can WhatsApp and she will connect with you. So any you can connect with your teenagers, you can connect, if a lady, you can connect with Dr. Chitra for yourself as well. So don't go for a teenager consultation, you can go for your consultation as well, for your health as well. And if you are not able to connect with them, you can connect with me, that is my handle. And if you have any query through Dr. Chitra, you can communicate with them, with me, and I'll share with Dr. Chitra. So that is all in today's episode. I hope you will enjoy this kind of episode. That is a totally different. Today in this episode, Dr. Chitra told about your daily routine, what kind of stuff that you have to eat, how you can manage everything, your energy, your concentration power, be hydrate, drink lots of water. So Dr. Chitra is covering so many things for women, for teenagers. They have she share different kind of stuff, face yoga. She has products also. So you have a large number of services that you are providing, Dr. Chitra. So I'm so grateful that you come in my show and you share tremendous information. That is, we don't think about all these things. We only focus on the problem part. ये problem है, we just take medicine. We don't know why the problem arise. We don't know the reason behind it, and you told in so easy way, in such a easy way that everyone can understand. So thankful to you, Dr. Chitra, and I'm so glad that you are doing so good things in your life, and you are creating impact in so many people in life without giving any kind of a medicine. You can just give them some consultation or some diet chart or something that they can do easily without taking medicines.
Yes. And really, thank you so much for this great initiative, Richa. I'm really happy to share the in your channel about all the things that needed for the people wellness. And thank you so much, and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And please connect with Dr. Chitra if you have any query. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and have a good day.
Thank you.